with the Lectron NEMA socket splitter. Now, why would you need a socket splitter for your EV? So if you do have a dryer plug that has a 1450 that's near where you park your car, you may not have to install a dedicated EV charger. You can use the socket splitter to send power to the car when it's charging and to send power to the dryer when it's not. Let's unbox this thing and test it out. Unboxing the unit, you can see that it has a 50 amp circuit breaker on the side. It'd be a good idea to turn that off until you plug in the charger in your appliance. It also comes with this wall mounting bracket to make a semi-permanent install. On average, your EV is going to need to charge 4 hours a day, and you can schedule it to charge at night when everyone's sleeping and they won't be using the appliance. So I don't have a 1450 on my dryer, but I do have one on my range. So the way the splitter works is the left is the primary socket. If it's drawing less than 0.5 amps, then it will provide power to the socket on the right. Otherwise, when you're charging your vehicle, the socket on the right will be cut off from power. Let's test this out. This is what a 1450 receptacle looks like. Now, Lectron also makes a version of the splitter for different types of outlets. Because there's a 50 amp outlet doesn't mean that the circuit's wired for 50 amps. Check your breaker. Mine is 40 amps, so the maximum I can draw continuous is 32 amps, or 80%. In the Tesla app, I set my maximum charge current to 32 amps, which is the maximum for the mobile connector. But if you have a 50 amp circuit, the maximum that you can set this to is 40 amps. So I plug in the Tesla mobile connector, and it immediately starts charging. Left outlet with the mobile connector is pulsing green, providing power. The one on the right is cut off and there's no power to the range. Once the Tesla finishes charging, you'll see the left outlet turn blue, and then it will start delivering power to the right outlet. And now we can see that the power to the range is back on. So the unit also has a great display. It tells you how much power is being drawn in amps. It also shows voltage and how many kilowatt hours that you've used. You could use that to keep track of your monthly usage. You can reset the counter by holding down the display button. There you go, the Lectron socket splitter. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Tesla, Rivian, Wi-Fi, and tech products.